A businessman once came into Buddha's assembly and spoke at Buddha. He was furious that his children, who could have spent their time earning money, meditated with Buddha instead. Buddha merely smiled at him. There was no word, no reaction. The man walked away in a half shocked. He could not sleep all night. For the first time in his life, he met someone who smiled when he was spotted. His whole world had turned upside down. The next day, he went back to Buddha, fell at his feet and said, "Please forgive me. I didn't know what I did." But Buddha said, "No, I cannot excuse you." Everyone in his assembly was taken aback. Buddha said, "Why should I forgive you when you have done nothing wrong?" The businessman reminded him of what he did on the previous day. Buddha simply replied, "Oh, that person is not here now. If I ever meet the person you spot on, I will tell him to excuse you. To this person here, you have not done any wrong."
Be happy with others. Thanks.